Good day. My name is Arya Noel Antipunan Mendoza, 30 years old, and single, live in Malandag Malungon, Sarangani Province, Philippines. I am a Roman Catholic and a college graduate, took up Bachelor of Science in Social Worker, and I am now a degree holder, a registered social worker. My father's age is 69 years old, and my mother's age is 59 years old. I have two brothers and one sister. I am the second child of the family. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, and baking. I work in the Philippines for 3 years. I serve six members of the family, two adults and four children. My main duties and responsibilities are childcare, cooking, child tutoring, cleaning and do the houseworks, pet cares and car washing and gardening, and sometimes going to the mall with the kids and playing. To all my prospective employers, I will promise to do all my duties and responsibilities with all my heart, and I am honest, patient, and hard-working person. Thank you and God bless.